Welcome. Here is the highlight of the FIFA Football World Cup 2026 YouTube thumbnail I did. I'm going to walk you through the process of how I did this design, this YouTube thumbnail. Now stick with me to the end. I'm going to show you how I made it from scratch. Now first I'm going to draw the shape. I used 12 by 8.5. You can see my cursor. So I'm just going to draw that real quick. Let me put it below. Control Z. You can see, you can just draw a little bit little shape, then make an adjustment 20 by 8.5. I click on enter on your keyboard as I get exactly the same perfect shape as I did mine. See, I've gotten that correctly. The next I'm going to bring my background, that's my image. Here is the image that I use. I'm going to copy Control C. You can get this image from Pinterest. Control V. Then you can see, then I had to like made a way for me to get this particular picture. Get I'm going to power clip and place set of frame, place set of this other one, then edit power clip, then this I'm going to drag drop. I'm going to bring it down. Yes, correctly. I'm just going to make adjustment to it. You can see you can tell Gemini to help you remove anything you want to remove in the background. Understand? How's I did down? That's why you're seeing this Gemini logo here. Very simple, just like that. Then next, since I've gotten this one, you can see something like this black shadow. You can see that, right? I just did this. It's very simple. Here like this. I just drew normal, just shape. Then I gave it black color. I removed the outline. Click on F12 to remove outline. I removed the outline. Then I brought my transparency to. You can see exactly, exactly. That was how I did it. Then you see after the you see like it's not really that thick. Then you make adjustment to the shape, just increase it, then you see you drag it up like this. You can see that, right? Simple. That was how I did that one. I'm gonna finish. See if okay the black is not okay. Make adjustment again to it. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work like this. Very good. Finish. Finish. Yeah, so we've gotten that correctly. The next, what did I do? This alerts. I did everything inside Power because I just did it right now, so I just want to make this so I'll show my viewers and people who is learning from me through my channel. My channel has been doing great job to my students and also other viewers that YouTube suggested my video to learn as well. Then this one I used, you can see I used Montserrat Extra Bold 72 PT. Then I brought the logo I downloaded this logo for Argentina and that of Algeria. Then I power clip the inside shape. Let me just show you real quick. I'm just gonna copy, Control C. I'm gonna finish, edit, power clip, then F4, Control V. See, I'm gonna bring this out. You can see the logo. Here is logo that I downloaded. You can download that from Pinterest. Just come over to your shape, your circle shape. Hold your shift key down, your control key rather, to get a perfect circle. Your control key down. Then go back to your pick tool. You can see that on top. Then just go back to your the main shape. The reason why I put it on top, not to start making adjustments. Understand? So that's very simple. Object, power clip, place inside of frame, then it's as simple as that. You don't need to go and start making adjustment to it because you made adjustment to it the first time putting the shape on top. You understand that? So that was how I did that one. Then I don't need that one, so I'm just gonna copy this one. Then this my text is normal text. You can check if you check your keyboard, you see everything. Now here is the shortcut of people don't really know how to bring this straight line. I used this geometry 415 BLK BT. You can see my cursor and I use 80 points. Then how did I do this? Let me just tab this 17. You can see 17. Then you can see that one. That's the column at the top. Then this one just give space. And how can you get this straight line? I didn't draw that thing. I'm going to show you the shortcut. It's very simple. Just hold on your shift key. Then if you look on top of your enter in your laptop or your keyboard, you see this slant, that this slant arrow. You see one at the top that is straight. Just hold your shift key down, then click on that thing that is like slant. You see that slant one, and not the one that is there is question mark at the top, or not that one. Just look close to your enter. That's above below your backspace in your laptop, and see that that was how I go down one. Very simple. After that, I use enter to go to the next one. Then I use this I use this the font. I already showed you the font. This is geometry font type to get exactly the same one. Then highlight. I told you I use Montserrat. This same Argentina, the same. Then I use Stretch Pro. You can see. Then I use 24 pt. Then same as well. This my text. I also use Stretch Pro. But this at the center is very simple. I just drew my shade and I give white outline. Then this one, how can you space it? I didn't type it separate. It's just one. You can see. Let me backspace. You can see one thing. It's just the same thing. Just give my space. I just use space bar to give space. Then this line, I think that is not downloaded. Very simple. Let me just show you example. I'm just gonna hold one my shift, then get a straight line, and go back to F12. Then I'm going to increase this. Let's use it to this 28, and I'm going to use this color. Just come over here like this. Okay, I think that was the only color I used. Look at the color I used there. You see, the more any color you add, is adding to our timeline. This color, our color track. Well, let me just use one for example for you to see what I did. Then I went back to this transparency to as well. Then I just, you can see I don't need. I'm going to take it this way because I want to apply to this other side of it. I see. Just make adjustment to it. Make adjustment like this. You can see that. Then I'll go back to pick to see. That was how I did that. This edge. It's very simple. So I'm gonna delete that because I don't need it. I just want to copy everything from it that I already did. Then this 2026 FIFA logo is very simple. You get it from Pinterest. You go out to removebg.com, then to remove the background. If you're having a problem with that, you can put it in the comment section. I'm gonna attend to you. And this super spot, I used I didn't use Pinterest to remove the background because the one I deleted was red. What I did was very simple. Let me go and bring it back. Let me see if I can. Desktop, was it my desktop? I think it was. Okay, yeah, you can see that super sports. But since I don't have it, I cannot change it to white. So I just said about to quick trace and trace bitmap, quick trace. Wait for it to load. I just bring this, drag and drop. You can see that. Then I'm gonna ungroup this one, Control U. You can see that, Control U. I'm gonna. You can see I can add my color to it. Then what am I gonna do next? Because they are scattered, I'm just gonna group it. Highlight everything, give it white color. Highlight again and group, Control G to group. Then I can bring it at the top. You can see that correctly. That was how I did that one. You see. Then that was that one. Delete and F4. I don't need this one. Delete. So that was that. In this straight line, I use this. Let's make also freehand tool. Just click on the freehand tool. You can see that. Just click on anywhere you want, and hold your shift key to get a straight line. Anywhere you want it, how you want it to long. I just move my and okay it. Go back to F12. Then increase the line color. Click on this color. Change to white. And okay it. That was how I go down one. Very simple. Now this official passport, I used the same Montserrat extra board, but I used 8 points. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this. I don't need that. F4. You can see that it's very simple. That was how I did that one. No more than what I just said. I'm gonna copy. Let me just group this first and copy. I'm gonna finish edit and paste. Control V. I'm just gonna bring it down. I'm just gonna bring it down. You see, finish. But I'm just gonna copy everything here to the other side. And I already showed you how I did it myself. How I made it. So Control G, Control C. I'm gonna finish this. Edit Control. Let me just open it up. Control V. I'm gonna bring it down with my shift key. I'm gonna hold my shift key. It's going straight. Where I'm putting my mouse is bad though. That is why it's behaving like that too. So you're gonna put us properly. Okay, yes, like this, very well, like this. Then finish editing. See, correct. The next, remove the outline of this one, F12. So remove outline none. Okay, with F4, F9. You see, this is very simple. This is how you make YouTube thumbnail for sports. This one is first. I'm doing sport for this one, and I can also do other thumbnail for other any other thing I want, any other thing you want using CorelDraw. It's very simple down. Like what I just did. You understand? So I'm just going to do a quick summary. First, get your image from Pinterest. If you want to remove anything that is not needed in the picture that you got from Pinterest, head over to Gemini. Give a very good prompt. Just write. I want you to remove so like this that from the image downloaded that you don't want it. Just remove it, then save. Then bring it over to CorelDraw. Open CorelDraw. First, download this is your 2026. This is your FIFA logo. Over to remove bg.com. Remove the background. Come over here. Just remove the background for what you just need. You just leave that one that you basically need to remove the background and so that that's super spot same. And this download the country flag for Argentina and Algeria. Stand that's very simple. I'm dropping more videos regarding this one regarding this FIFA World Cup. Thanks for sticking with me. It's of my hope you must know how to design you must know how to design YouTube thumbnail regarding sports. Thanks for watching. If you're here to subscribe, please do that real quick so you guys will be the first to notify when I drop amazing posts like this. If you're here to watch other videos, other ones they are helpful and also um gonna put you through other things you really need to know using CorelDraw. You can also do this one in any Corel version you are using. You are not limited to any version of CorelDraw to do this that I just did. Very simple. Thanks for watching.